I'm looking a hot mess, but I am just getting ready for Tyler's birthday dinner. So I am actually off work today, so I got a bunch of things that I was able to get done. I had to get some last minute gifts and things for Tyler, and then I made him a birthday cake. He wanted vanilla and vanilla. I'll show you guys in a little bit what that looks like. And then I'm just packing up, I'm out of breath because I'm running around like crazy. I did a bunch of laundry because I've been house sitting for like a whole week, so yeah. I made a buffalo chicken dip because I just found that on Pinterest and decided to make it just to see. It has a lot of condensation. It's cooking up. It smells so good. Finishing up some cleaning that I need to get done before we head out for dinner tonight, and we're going to a Brazilian steakhouse tonight, and Tyler has been wanting to go there for so long, so since his birthday I guess we can go. I just have to finish cleaning up my room. I am almost done, and after that I'm gonna head over to his house a little early because I'm driving the Jeep this week and I don't want to get my hair and my dress all messed up riding in the Jeep with no doors on. So I'll see you guys soon. So since I know I'm going to be out late tonight, I'm going to go ahead and pick out my clothes for tomorrow since I have to be up early in the morning. That way it'll make it a lot easier for me to just go ahead and get up in the morning, get dressed, and get to work. Cute little tank top with a v-neck. I think I'm going to wear this for the shirt. And then I might do like a little sweater over if it gets a little chilly, because sometimes in the store it gets cold. And then I think I'm gonna do some jeans. These jeans with it. Just kind of like a casual day tomorrow. Probably do. So here's the outfit, you can't really see it. Today I made Tyler's birthday cake, and Tyler really wanted vanilla cake, so I went ahead and made that for him. And I have a whole bunch of buffalo dip stuff to clean up, and I'm just gonna work on cleaning that up. show you guys Tyler's cake that I made for him. It's a little rough, but I'll explain it to you guys in just. So here it is. I had it sitting in the refrigerator. So you can tell there's condensation on it because I had it in the refrigerator. But here it is. It looks a little bobo, but he asked for vanilla on vanilla cake, and if you can see right here on the side, it kind of slopes down. It slopes down because I decided to cook it on a regular pan, like in a regular pan, and I forgot that we had the circle pans, and so like for baking cakes, and when I went to go the cake carrier out, I was like, oh my gosh. I just cut the rectangle cake in half, and then I like made it 2 layers, and so it'll fit perfectly inside my little circle cake thing. Sorry for the lack of video for you guys today, but we just had a really good time. Dinner was amazing, and I am getting ready to get ready for bed because I am exhausted and I have work all day tomorrow. So I'm just gonna let you guys go here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's very short, but yeah, I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. I love you guys. Bye.